What's your name? My name is John. Where are you from? I am from London. Where do you come from? I come from London. What is your surname? My surname is Brown. What is your family name? My family name is Brown. What's your first name? My first name is John. What's your address? I stay at 12 United Street. Where do you live? I live in England. What's your telephone number? My number is 6099310524. What's your email address? You can email me at graham@gmail.com. How old are you? 31. Or, I am 31 years old. When and where were you born? I was born in 1984 in London. Are you married? No, I am single. Or you can say, yes, I am married. What's your marital status? I am married. What do you do? Or, what's your job? I am an English teacher. Or you can say, I teach English at the high school. Where did you go? I went shopping with a friend. What did you buy? We bought some new clothes. Where were you? I was in London for the weekend. Have you got a car? Yes, I have got a nice car. Have you got any children? Yes, I have got 3 children, 2 boys and a daughter. Can you play tennis? Yes, I can play. Can you speak English? No, I can't speak English. Could you speak English when you were 5 years old? No, I could not. Try to learn and practice such sentences every day. Because if you don't practice, you can't speak or learn English. You will need to practice every day for speaking English fluently. Practice is the key to success. If you like the video, please comment. And if you can, share. Stay well and stay with me to learn English.